Ah, look at you holding that giraffe all by yourself. Dun, 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 dun. January 19th, 2013. Hazel holds the giraffe. Yeah, good job, baby girl. Look at you. Look at you shaking that giraffe. Shaking, shaking, shaking. Yep. You hear it rattling? Oh my gosh. I've been trying for weeks. And you finally got it. I'm so proud of you.
I went to talk to Mr. Simon. He called me to get a job for me. He wants me to be the building manager. He asked you to be the building manager? Yeah, he offered me a job, so I took it. That's ridiculous. You're not qualified. But it's not ridiculous for you to rob $20 million? I can't believe how irresponsible you're being. You really think that you're going to just stroll in there like Robin Hood and his band of merry doormen and outsmart the guys with
Good
your
job,
Why is
Hazel.
this so hard for you to believe, huh? Why can't you just be my skinny Friar Tuck? Come on. Who's Friar Tuck? Friar Tuck! That's Robin Hood. I can't do this, Josh. You put one foot inside the tower, I'm going to call in a code.
Oh, look at you. Look at you.
I made up new codes because I'm in charge of the tower now. I'm warning you, Josh. Come near. The code's blue black. First thing you do, you're going to find me.
Good job. Good job, baby girl. Good job. Oh, you're even sticking it in your mouth. That is so cool.